going up. We're going to walk there up to the top. That's more than 1,000 steps going on the top, and we will see if I can do my best to going up there. If I can reach there at the top. That's only the beginning. That's the one we're going up. Ooh, I'm still at the bottom. Far. There I can make going up. Whew, I'm pumping now. I'll try. Going already halfway. Maybe that's enough for me. Maybe see if I can try it again. Going up. I guess there's the highway on the other side, and that other side is a Diamond Head going on the top also, where the bunker of American is on the top of that mountain, facing Pacific Ocean. This is a step that I done already. Not almost half of this step. Whew. It's hard. It's already getting old. Still have more going up. Maybe I'm going down. I'm going back. Okay, bye. See. This is the way they build the step going up. Yeah, with the steel rail. Yeah, like a train. Yeah. And then halfway of the step. Oh my gosh, still more to go. Oh my gosh. I don't know, maybe I'm going down now. My kids should be up at the top already. And the dad's still pumping here at the middle. Oh my gosh. At least I done half. I don't know, is half or not yet. Oh, thanks God. Okay, I'll do my best to step more going up. Maybe I can. I'm going down. Okay, bye bye. I done more than halfway, and that one is going out the top. There's a bridge going up there on the top. That's the surrounding of this mountain. Yeah, that's the one I climbed. The step that I done, more than half. I'm very lucky to climb to this in a Koko Heads. I think it's good to going down, but my knee started aching. I'm going back now, but oh, I think it's good when you're going down. But my problem is my knee. Started wiggling and some pain. There we do. Oh, thanks God. I reached more than half of this step of this Koko Heads. I think I'm the old guy trying to going up here. It's all the young people going up the top, but that's good. It's a good exercise for me. Oh, thank you. Yes, more step to go. And at the bottom. Whew. Oh, I'm too tired now. That's a good adventure with Lolo Sam. Trying to do something different like this one. Oh, at least I can climb more than 800 steps going up on this mountain, on the Koko Heads. And my kids is already down there on the top. Me is at the bottom only of the mountain, and that's it for me. I think it's good to going down instead of going up. That's going down. It's okay. At least I can do some more than 10 steps instead of going up. 10 step, stop. 10 step, stop. 15 step, stop. And here 20, 25, 30. I'm still okay. See? That's the remaining step to going down. Oh. Still pumping. Oh, come on, Sam. More step to go down. Oh. More step, Lolo Sam. Oh. Oh. I need rest. Okay. Let's start going down again. Using the right legs. Oh. More step to go. Then I finish. Ah. That's it for me. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the strength that I can step going up. Oh, thank you, Lord. And I'm waiting for my kids here. They're still up, still at the top. Okay, bye.
We made it!